Yo, what is up guys? Back at it again with a new video. So today is March 8th of 2021. Current time is 3:20 p.m. It's a Monday, and so right here we're looking at EYES. And so as you guys could see, this was pre-market, pretty good as you could see. But let's look on Friday. It did a nice, I traded this on Friday as well, so you guys could check out that video. I have it posted. It's called Simple Trades EYES, or I'll just have it annotated here. But I just want to talk about the trade I did today, which I bought right at hindsight looking at it, right about support zone, and got in around 20 shares at 10.36 right here, right before the drop, and then boom, collapses all the way towards the low 88, and then climbing back up. So I was halted right here. I think it was like 10.44 where it got halted or so. I do remember it was 10.44 where it got halted. Got halted for a couple seconds, and then it broke under my risk, and my risk was to cut at 10.10. It did break that right here, but never. I was just adapting to what the market was giving me, and so never broke under VWAP. And then it was I think if it would have broke VWAP, it would have been a different story. I think it would have been a much larger loss. But then again, it started climbing up, and then right here it got halted. And then right there I decided, when it was halted, I was like, okay, so if it breaks under my risk, which is 10.10, I'm going to just cut it right there and then. And if it goes past that, I'm just gonna sell at my reward. As you guys could see, my risk was to cut at 10.10, and then this low was 10.13, so 3 cents above my risk. And so it just touches it, just drops, and then boom, hits it right up. And then my reward was to get out at 11.63. And so right here tops out at 11.34, and then boom. Oh wait, just drops a little bit to 10.75, but the volume it had, it was just so it was just pushing the stock up, where this was just a split second and pushing it back up. And then this tops out at 12.45, and I'm already out at 11.63 for a profit of $27.63. And so that was that. And so and then it still keeps on climbing up. Let's go to 3 minutes, and as you guys could see, it's more clear, right? It's more clear on the uptrend. So from the low 881 all the way topping out at that 1483, and then we get that gradual downtrend fighting if it wants to fight around here, and then we get a solid bounce around here, boom, and then a nice consolidation around support zone at VWAP. So if you would have bought around this resistance point, which is 1140, so if you would have gotten at 1140 right there, the high of this was 1375, which is about $2.31 of upside, and about 20%. And then just gradual downtrend towards the afternoon, boom, that's like around 2, and then right there is like a good clear bounce towards the upside, and that's another 29% and $2.58. But that's if you would have cut the bottom and top. You could have also bought at this resistance point, which it broke out right here. That would have been also good. And I was looking at this stock all day, but this was my only watch list for today. My only watch for today. And so all the way from the 220, and from this high right here, that's about 568% of upside and $12. And so yeah, that's a high for just 2 days. That's a good run up. And so as you can see right here, this is just 100 days the daily chart. And so this is again the daily chart. And then yeah, it just nice. This would have been a nice if you would have caught it in the morning. On my last trade, I talked about buying it at like 235 and then cutting it at like 229 for a loss. And looking at it hindsight, I missed so much on the table. I left like so much money, but it's okay. It was a learning lesson, especially when I was holding on this one. As you could see, it did like a little bit what it did on this day right here, but like towards, I would say about this side of the market right here from then on, from this part. So that would have been a nice opportunity to look at EYES. And so that's pretty much it. If you guys did like the video, comment down below what you learned, like the video, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.